Morning everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. Yes, so let's see whether I'm audible or not. So first of all, let's just cross check that, and I think I'm audible. So good morning. Many of you are already here. Yes sir, start the class. I'm starting. So today is another day in your 15-day challenge, and I have brought to all of you another live class for maths. Okay, so good morning Narendra, good morning Shravya, good morning Chandana, and good morning Shahan actually, sorry. Mohi is also there. Good morning. So there might be delay bacha in results today. I expected not to come by today itself. Okay. Abhishek Nayak, good question. What about statistics session, sir, from your PU1 syllabus? So the questions over there were less. So what I've done, what I was thinking is, I'm gonna include that chapter questions, the PYQs in your, in the marathon sessions that we're gonna have after your 9th of April. Okay, till 9th of April, your 15-day challenge continues, and after that, post that, we'll have your usual sessions, marathons, long classes. In that, will include your statistics as well. Okay, so yes guys, first of all, good morning. Yeah, so Tasmaya is saying, sir, today's result. Yes sir, so actually there's some change that is being expected today, so we'll see if any update comes. We'll let you know in the, of course, in the WhatsApp community as well as on the channel. So please be tuned. If there is any change or if any update comes from the board, we'll have some things something very soon on our platform. Okay, let's start right now. Let's think about the class for this, what we do over here. So what do we have in today's session? Vector algebra and 3D geometry. Weightage, if you ask me, including both of these, 8 marks. A minimum of 8 marks can come from here. So, and the good thing about this chapter is, these two chapters, is that they are directly formula based. Okay, for example, if I show you the question number 1 itself, you can answer the question if you know the formula. That's simple. Okay, no nonsense, a very easy chapter. All right, so I think it might not come today, but we'll see. We'll wait for some official update and we'll get back to you. By today only you'll have some update from our team in WhatsApp or on our channel. Okay, so just wait for some time. Okay guys, yeah. Yes, Ravi, I'm starting the class itself. Yeah. Okay, okay, it's me extreme, you can do that later, bacha. Yes. All right, so as I mentioned, today what I have brought for you, vector algebra. So we'll have completely question based approach, directly formula based approach in these questions, and in this session I have brought 30 plus questions. Okay, 30 plus questions I brought in this class, and we're gonna solve them, very easy ones. Let's look at the first problems. Okay, let's look at the first problem. What is this? Give me the answer, guys. Yeah. Narendra, today is your last warning. If you disturb the class or if you do something which is nuisance, you will be blocked today for sure, because not only me, many other teachers were also saying that you've been creating disturbances in the other class. So today is your last warning. Okay, in this live is your last warning, otherwise your ID will be blocked and you will not get a chance to attend the classes. Okay, so make sure that whatever you are asking or whatever you are talking about should be relevant to the question or the class. Okay, that's your last warning. Others, give me answer for the question number 1. Answer for the question number 1, because I gave it, okay, I gave you a free hand last class that it's okay, it's a bacha, okay, we don't have to be that much harsh with him. But other teachers also were telling that you are creating a lot of disturbance in other classes, so that cannot be accepted. Okay, people are here to study, and that is the end of the discussion. Moving on, guys. Yeah, question number 1. Vidya has the answer. Vidya has the answer. That is option D, and option D. We'll see. So area parallelogram. Again, as I mentioned, this is the 2014 PYQ. How do you solve it? Direct formula approach. Parallelogram area. If you have a parallelogram known like this, okay, then this is your side A, B. What you do is, for the area, you simply find cross product of A and B. You find the cross product of A and B and take modulus. How do you find cross product of A and B? Very simple, sir. You go about this, A cross B. You start with the I, J and K cap, And what do you have for a first vector? Please check. A is nothing but 1, 0 and 1, and this is what? 2, 1, 1. 2, 1, 1. Yeah. So the answer, how to solve this? I can solve across any one of them. I can go across I first. So we'll go I. We'll have over here what? 0, minus 1. So we get minus. Across j, so we'll have minus j cap. And for this we'll get 1 minus 2, again minus 1, right? 1 minus 2. Now plus k, we have last one. Please check. For this get 1 minus 0. So we have 1 over here. And so if you check, my vector A cross B is coming as minus I plus j and plus k. Am I right? Yeah. And I'm looking for what? Modulus of this. So very simple, sir. It becomes 1 square, 1 square and 1 square. Answer as Vidya gave, option D is correct. Question number 1, option D is the right answer. Question number 1, option D is the right answer. It'll come today only, Navin. Okay. Okay. Yes, D is the right answer. All right. Narendra, it is D, not root 2 root 3. Please cross check. Okay, so I hope it is visible, guys. I hope I'm clearly audible and visible. No problem over there. Yeah. Question number 2. I'm going to focus on the classes only. No talk about result or anything. Okay, let's complete the class first. So A and B are two unit vectors inclined at angle pi by 3. Okay, this is your two vectors that we have, and we have the inclination given. They're asking us the value of mod of A plus B. Can you find mod of A plus B, sir? Okay, we can find that. Mod of A plus B, the whole square, we can find it comes as mod of A square. First of all, anybody answer? Please try giving me. I'll give you the value over here for the formula, and twice of A dot B. Okay, twice of A dot B. Please give me the answer, guys. Naveen, I have just come for the office and I'm taking class. All the questions regarding everything will be discussed later. If you don't want to be here, you can, your choice. Okay, right now I'm going to focus on the live class. Okay, my responsibility is as of now the class. We'll talk about anything else later. Okay, we'll have to check with the team. Okay. Yes. So what is the answer? Narendra is saying option C. Yes. As we mentioned, all the PU1 and PU2 sessions of theory will come to the crash course by today only, means will come to the crash course by today only. Okay, I was with the team last night. They were sitting with me, our whole team, and uploaded all the sessions. We'll see something if it is not released, what time it is to be scheduled. Okay, so do not disturb me right now. I'm gonna focus on the class. Very serious. Last time. So Narendra is saying C, Shravya is saying D. Anybody else? Anybody has any the answer? Vidya, what is your answer? Abhishek is saying D. Nandini is saying D. Anybody else has an answer? No one? Many students in the class, but nobody has the answer. I would request everybody to please participate because these are at least, even if you make a mistake, let's say I got all the answer which is wrong only, but still I'll tell them how what is the right way to do the answer. So please participate. So Vidya is saying C. C and D are the options, by the way, guys. C and D are the options. Okay, C and D are the options. Sahan has given B, Chandana has given A. So Sahan and Chandana, is it just because, you know, C and D I'm saying wrong, that's why A and B should be there? Is it like that? Okay, so one of you is right, Sahan and Vandana. Chandana, one of you is right, but who is that person? Okay, let's try solving it. So we have this value given as unit vector means 1, 1 and twice of 1 into cos of the angle pi by 3. Okay, right, guys. So cos of pi by 3, how much? I hope you can see that. This becomes 2 plus 2 times of 1 by 2, because cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. This cancels. We have 3. So now we have A plus B modulus. The whole square as 3. It means A plus B modulus is given by root 3. And root 3 value, is more than 1 or less than 1. We know the root 3 value 1.732, and this value is coming as what? Greater than 1, hence option B. So Sahan's, I think our answer was correct. Yeah. Yes, so B is the right answer. Correct. So I hope people who got it wrong, now they know how it is wrong. Anybody needs clarity, please let me know, then only I'll continue. Anyone needs clarity in this question, go ahead, ask me, otherwise I'll continue. For all the ComEd students, but don't worry, all the sessions will be uploaded. Actually uploaded last night only. I was here, we were here till late night, okay. Our whole team, tech team also was here till very late time, and we have uploaded all the sessions. We'll see what time is scheduled. I don't know what time is scheduled, whether it is 8 a.m. or 10 a.m. but we'll see. Okay, after the class only I can tell. Alright, yes. So sir, repeat. Sorry, this question I will not repeat, Narendra. Which step you want me to explain? You can ask me. Otherwise you have to wait till last. Okay, because I cannot. This is what happens when you don't build a repo. When you disturb the class, teacher don't listen to you, because they know you're just creating disturbances in the class. Okay, so build a repo. I'll repeat. If you want me to repeat, you have to wait till the last. Okay, because I do not find anything to be repeated in that question. It's a simple formula of a plus b the whole square. Nothing is there. I'm sorry. Yeah. Vector A is I, 2j and 2k. B is anybody else want me to repeat? Anybody else want me to repeat? Let me know. If it's genuinely a doubt, I can repeat that. Okay. Other student, please support your friend. So did you not attend the orientation yesterday? We gave the WhatsApp link yesterday in the orientation. Did you not attend the orientation? Okay. All right, but we'll share again. Don't worry. Anybody else want me to repeat? Please go ahead and ask me. I'll repeat the question number 2. Kathir Messi, don't worry, we're gonna share it again, but we have shared the link and many students already joined. They were part of orientation. Okay, so yeah, don't worry, we'll share it with you. Don't worry. Okay. Vector A is I, 2j, 2k. Vector B is given. So I'm looking to find area of the triangle formed by these two vectors. Now tell me, I have a question to ask from all of you. C is the answer coming for many of the students. Okay, now I have a question from all of you, beta. And what is the question? Finding area uses what type of product of vectors? Does it use dot product or cross product? Tell me please. We should know this clarity. Finding area uses dot product or cross product? Tell me. Narendra, can you tell me the answer? Cross product. Very good. Vidya, superb. It means cross product will involve sine of theta or cos of theta. Sine of theta or cos of theta? Of course, sine of theta. We're looking for area and we'll go like this. Mod A, mod B, sine theta. Do we have mod A? Mod A we don't have. We can find that. 1 square of 2 is going to be what? 4. Square of 2 again going to be what? 4. And mod of B is how much, beta? Mod of B is given as 5. So right here 5. And sine of pi by 6 is how much? That'll become sine 30, so 1 by 2. Yeah, this becomes what? 4 plus 4 plus 8 is going to be 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 1 9. Root becomes 3. 3 into 5 is what? This value is how much? This value equal to 3. 3 into 5 will be 15 divided by 4. Answer is what? So all of you gave the answer incorrect. All of you gave the answer incorrect. I have mentioned this. Okay, sine is the right answer. You can come back and join later, Narendra. Right now I cannot give break. Anyway, this is very simple chapter, formula based beta. We're gonna just complete all the questions at one shot only. Okay, yeah. You have some work, I understand that. Still I have to continue. Good morning, Nalina, good morning. So everybody, so as you can see, this whole chapter, whatever questions we have solved so far, whether you see question number 1 formula based, question number 2 also, and question number 3. So if you know the formulas, you can get all the questions right. Okay, now again, these were easy questions only. I was just going through the session because just morning we are starting and might be a little slow. So now I'm gonna pick up the pace, okay, and we'll solve questions a little faster. Okay, so question number 4 now. Vector A is given over here. Vector B is also a vector. We don't know what is the value. A dot B is given as B square. Find the value of vector B provided mod of A minus vector B is root 7. I'll give you the hint as I promised. A minus B vector is root 7. We'll take the whole square over here and whole square over here. Okay, just apply this condition, guys, and use this result also. that you have, find the value of, and mod of A I'll find for you. So mod of A will turn out to be what? 1 plus 4 plus 9, root of 14. Okay, root of 14. Please check. Anybody has an answer? Mahendra, you'll get the class recorded also, right? You can, whatever questions you're missing in that 5-10 minutes, you can watch that later, okay? But just go and do your work, come back and continue from there itself. The between questions you can watch later and ask me doubts, no problem. C is the answer from Chandana, okay? C is the answer. Yeah, I don't know the answer, I have to solve it to get it. Okay, so A value is now no. Others please try, I've given you the hint. Abhishek also saying C only, it means maybe it's the C answer. Okay guys, yeah, so C is the answer. A minus B the whole square is root 7. How do you solve this condition? Simply mod of A square plus mod of B square and minus twice of A dot B, and this is what? A dot B only. Yeah, sorry, we'll go with the A dot B itself, not A and mod, because we don't have the angle known, right? So we'll go with A dot B, and this is equal to what? 7. This value will be what, beta? Please check here. 14. So 14, this is simply mod of B square, and this is how much? 2 times of mod of B square is 7. Okay, so we'll do one thing, we'll bring this 7 on this side, and this is what? Minus B square will bring on this side, right? So answer should be option D. Yes, Narendra, answer is option D. Yeah, so we get the value as 14 minus 7, and this becomes what? Simply mod of B square, and the answer for mod of vector B becomes what? Root of 7. Root of 7. Good morning, Arif. Okay, correct, please avoid it. This chapter can be a guaranteed chapter even for students who are weak in mathematics or who struggle in mathematics. Let's not say weak, who struggle in mathematics, or mathematics is not their favorite subject. They can still score marks in this chapter. Okay, good morning, sir. So they can still score marks in this chapter because this is vector algebra, right? Straightforward formula based approach. So please do not take this lightly. Matrices determinant, vector algebra, continuity and differentiability are the easier ones. Okay, that is very, very important. Okay, so question number 4 answer is option D. Yes. Question number 5, direction cosines of the vector of magnitude 3 are, magnitude is given and they are saying the direction cosines DCs are given. So we know that DCs, if I use DCs, we get what? If this is representing a vector, let's say a vector A, then if I use DC, I'll get what? I'll get a unit vector. So 2 by 3 I cap minus 1 by 3 j cap and 2 by 3 k cap. 2 by 3 k cap. Okay guys, so we have this for unit vector. Now if you want to get the magnitude also in what? Just multiply this value with 3. You'll get the vector. If you do that, you get the answer as 2i minus j plus 2k. 2i minus j plus 2k. That's the option A. Question number 5 is also done, guys. Yes. Yeah. Guys, everyone in the class, 2 requests from all of you. Request number 1, go ahead, like the session. Okay, and always subscribe to the channel. Notification should be on, because I can see now that is happening because many students they are able to join the class right when it starts, because they have kept the notification always on for the class. Okay, that is one thing. Second thing is, please answer questions. Even if you feel you're gonna get the answer wrong, answer it. If you participate, then only you are part of a student group. Otherwise, you're just a viewer. Do you want to be viewer or a student? You want to be a student, right? And how do students learn? By interacting with teachers, by asking their doubts. Okay, for recorded sessions you cannot do that, but over here I'm available, I'm online, I'm catering to your doubts. So please get serious and ask me your questions, write your answers. Okay, thank you, Shreyas. Thank you, everyone. Yes, thank you so much. Question number 5 is done now, guys. Question number 6. So we have twice of A dot B as mod of AB. Come on, let's see who can give me the answer quickly for this. No hint. Okay, this is simply what? This side is the modulus. So this is what? Twice of AB and this is what? AB. That's what is given in the question. Sorry, I forgot. Cos theta. They're asking us to find the angle between cos theta. Please go ahead and give me the answer. Shravya already has the answer. D, sir. D is right. Is D right, Shravya? Yeah, D is correct actually. Shravya is correct because this will cancel and you have 2 cos theta as 1. So cos theta equals to 1 by 2, and this happens when theta value is pi by 3, hence 60 degrees. Are you liking the chapter or not? Very easy? Yes. Question number 7, guys. Question number 7 now. Yes. Good job. Good job, everyone. Okay, very simple question, but even if you can solve a simple question, you score 1 marks, right? Because these questions, if you see, are of similar pattern only, right? Yeah. A and B are unit vectors. Then what is the angle between A and B for this to be unit vector? So let's forget about this right now. The first thing, they're saying that this is also unit vector. This is where our whole story starts. So vector 3A minus B, modulus is given as 1. Okay, and they're also saying that mod of vector A and mod of vector B is 1. Now it's your chance to solve the question. Please go ahead. Yeah. Is the answer 60 only, Narendra? B is saying, Narendra is saying 45. Okay, I don't know the answer, guys, so I have to check. So C is the answer given by Shravya. Sharanu is saying C again. Chandana also C. Joe is saying B. Narendra said B. Iru is saying okay, not the question. Mangal is saying D. Okay. Okay, guys, so let me just get back to the problem then. We'll take the whole square. As we all know, we're gonna start with this what? As 3 of vector A modulus plus mod of vector B square, basically, yeah, and we have minus 2 times of root 3 into mod of A, by the way, and mod of B, and we have what? We have cos theta. We have cos theta that shows the angle between A and B only, right? Yeah, and this is equals to what, bacha? Equals to 1. We have everything as 1 only because they are unit vectors, so 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 cos theta is 1. So we're gonna bring this over here and this over here. This becomes what? 3. Please check, because this 1 and this 1 will cancel, so it will become 3 only, and we have 2 root 3 cos theta. We have 3 upon 2 root 3 equals to cos theta. I know you already have the answer from this step. Let's use this. We have root 3. So my answer is coming as root 3 by 2 for cos theta. Clearly theta value is how much? 30 degrees, right? Not C. A is cos theta, right? It should be what? 30 degrees, no? Is A right or C right? Everyone? It was supposed to come today, but there might be delay, so we'll see. Okay, we'll get to you. We'll update you once something official is there and we have something solid. Okay, but you will get the information on our channel or our WhatsApp channel, so be there. Is A right, everyone, or did I make any mistake? Have I made any mistake in one of the steps somewhere, or A is correct? A is correct, I guess. Okay, A is correct. Yeah. Question number 8 now. So A plus B plus C is given as 0. Vector A, vector B, vector C modulus is given. Find the angle between A and B. Okay, A and B. So I need to club it together. Then only I can, use the whole square and all the result. So let's go like this. Again, I'll give you the help. You have to solve from your side. So minus C I'm taking and taking modulus. I'm bringing C on this side and taking the modulus. Okay. What is the next step? Whole square. Take here. Again, please continue and give me the answer. Everyone try. Chandana, Nalina, Behind the World, Narendra, Vidya, Sharanu, Shravya, everyone. Joe, please give me the answer. Shreyas is also there. Yes, Shreyas, please try and give me the answer. Yes, all of you. Venkatesh is also there. Yeah, Mangal is also there. All of you, please give me the answer for this question. Yeah, so Srini is saying B. I'm not sure, we got to check. So let's try from here. Others, any clue, please let me know. A square, B square, and we have twice of mod of A, mod of B, cos theta, right? So cos theta equals to mod of C square. Okay. Supposed to be today only, Aaron, but there was some change, so we'll see. Okay, maybe not today. We have to wait for some time for any confirmation. Just wait, you'll get an update so very soon, as soon as possible. Okay, yeah. Yeah. So this value is given as 3 means 9. This is given as B means 25, and this is given as what? Twice of 3 into 5, that's 15, guys. And we have cos theta over here. This value is going to be what? 49. Am I right? No problem. Let's do one thing. Bring on that side. This becomes 34, I guess. 25 plus 9 is 34. This total is 34. Bring on this side. Yeah. So 2 into 15 into cos theta is what? 49 minus 34. And that is how much? 15. So we can cancel this 15. We get just 2 cos theta. Or 1 second. Just the cos theta as 15 by 15 into 2. So cancels. We have answer as 1 by 2. And this happens when theta value is what? 60 degrees. So option C is correct. Option C is correct. Question number 8, option C is correct. Darshan, this will end not today, not long class today. I have brought 30 plus questions. Okay, and this is very straightforward chapter, as you can see. So maybe in another 1 hour, yeah, maximum 1 hour. Okay, yes. So if you ask me by 11, I think we can close the class. Darshan's answer. Okay. Vidya, what is the question, Vidya? Answer is what? Everyone, is the C answer correct? Please check. I hope the answer is C. Question number 9 then. One second. Question number 9, everybody please solve it. We are looking for they're saying A, B, C's modulus is given. Each of them are perpendicular to the sum of other two. What it means is A is perpendicular to B plus C. What it means? It means A dot with B plus C will be 0. What it means? It means A dot B plus A dot C will be 0. Right? So this is my first equation, by the way, guys. Equation number 1. Let's go with the next one. Same way, if I write B perpendicular to, have a look, B perpendicular to C plus A. Okay, perpendicular to C plus A. Excuse me. B is perpendicular to C plus A. We get the result from here as B dot C plus B dot A is 0. Okay, this is my equation number 2, by the way. And let's look for the last one. C perpendicular to A plus B. We get the answer over here as C dot A plus C dot B is what? 0. That's my equation number 3. I'm looking to find the value of this. Am I right? And this is the formula. A plus B plus C the whole square is mod of A square mod of B square plus mod of C square and twice of A dot B, B dot C and C dot A. So everyone please solve this question now. Everyone please solve this question now. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Anybody has an answer? No one? So answer is C is 100% correct. C is correct answer, by the way, guys. Super. Okay. C, sir. Good job. So we have this value to find. We have mod of A as, so 9, B as 4 means 16, and C as 5 means 25. And this value, if you add all the equation 1 and 2 and 3, you'll get this result, okay? You will get the result. This one equal to what? 0. So you'll have over here this value, A plus B plus C, the square, and this becomes what? 25 and 25, 50. So root of 50 will be this value without the square. Okay. And this is going to be what? 5 root 2. Please check. Yes, Parth, it will be uploaded today only. Just wait for some time, and after the class I'll go and check. Same I told Naveen also. Let me complete the class right now. I'm in a class. After this class I'll go and check, but I'm promising you, our whole team sat yesterday and till late night, and we have uploaded all the videos. We'll see what time it is supposed to be released, and if there is a problem, what is the problem? Okay, we'll see to that. All right. Yeah. So guys, answer is clear. Question number 10 now. Yes. Yeah. The value of x, if this is a unit vector, this is a unit vector. So if you talk about this itself, okay, I, j, k, what's the unit vector in this case? If you remember, so you'll have the modulus. If I say let's say this is vector A, okay, then the modulus vector A will be coming as what? This will be coming as root of 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is how much? Root of 3, but there's a root means plus minus. And how do you find unit vector? A cap mod vector A, vector A by modulus of vector A. Am I right, guys? Okay, so if you use this condition, if the vector A I have taken as I, j, k, okay, of course I have to divide by what? Plus minus root 3. So if you compare this, you'll get the result x as option A. Okay. Yes, correct. A very simple question. Next one. Cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are the direction ratios, cosines of the vector A. Then what is this value? They've given us dash and cosines of the vector A. So we know that in that case we have a result that says cos square alpha, cos square beta, and cos square gamma is equal to what, sir? 1. Equals to what, sir? 1. Somebody saying the answer for this question? Can you please mention the question number also, guys? Can you please mention the question number also? So all the student of crash course, don't worry about it. We'll get it checked. What is taking it, making it delayed? Okay. After the class, my class will get over by 11 o'clock, and then I'll go and check with the team. Okay. Okay. I'll just check with the team right now. Also, I'll just message them because you were asking me. Yeah. 1 second. I'll message the team. Okay, I'll wait for the reply, but yeah, please continue. So C, 11th is C, sir. C is the right answer. C is the right answer. How can we solve it, sir? With the identity that we have for cos 2 alpha, it is what? 2 cos square alpha minus 1. Same way, 2 cos square beta minus 1 and 2 cos square gamma minus 1. That's the formula of cos 2 x as 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay, take the results which is similar to nature. We can take it common, 2 from here. We'll have cos square alpha, cos square beta, and cos square gamma. What about this? We have minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, sir. That's minus 3. This value we just know is what? 1. So 2 into 1 minus 3 gives me the answer as minus 1 only. Please check. Yeah. Guys, can we focus on the class right now and no other doubts? Okay. If you ask me doubt regarding class, I'll be very happy. Okay, so let's focus on the class first. This is what happens when you don't focus. If you're not writing KCET, then this is not the class for you. Okay, if you're writing KCET, please pay attention. This is an easy chapter worth 8 marks and you're not paying attention. Okay. Yeah. Question number 12. A is 2i lambda j and k. B is I plus 2j plus 3k. Orthogonal. Answer please. Orthogonal, answer please. Orthogonal means what? Perpendicular. Perpendicular means dot product is 0, sir. That's your answer. Because if we could change something, if it was in our control to bring the result, we would have done that already, right? If it was in your control, you would have done that already. So it's not in control. So why to go into the same loop that you've been going in and always delaying your process, delaying your studies? Does it ever help you? Has it ever helped you in the past? No, but you will not change only. You want to repeat the same pattern of anxiety or not looking at the present. The present moment, what we are doing here is taking care of two simple chapters of KCET, vectors and 3D, but you are not worried about that. Think about it. The same pattern you've been following for years and you are, of course, struggling. So please try to break it. Focus on the present right now. What is going to happen? If it's not in your control, then just forget about it. You cannot do anything about it. Okay? The exams dates are today only, results date. If it comes, you will be first to know from our channel. Getting my point? So let's focus on the class. Question number 12. A is given, B is given. Our orthogonal is find thus 2 into 1 is going to be 2. Lambda into 2 is what? 2 lambda and just 3. 0 we get 5. So minus 5 by 2 is the answer, guys. 12 is C. 12 is C. Good. This is what I want. I want all of you to just get present in the class and answer all the questions. 13th one. A and B are mutually perpendicular unit vectors. Good. It means what? First of all, mod of A is 1 and this is also true. Perpendicular means what? A dot B is 0. Am I right? Okay, so if you expand this, we'll just worry about the A square term and B square term. We'll not worry about your A dot B terms. How come, sir? Because A dot B will be 0 anyway, right? So let's just continue like that. 3A into 5A, it becomes 15 mod of A square minus 12 mod of B square. If somebody is thinking, sir, how can I do that? Why not A dot B? I'll repeat again, because A dot B is 0 and B dot A is also 0. They have given that they are mutually perpendicular unit vectors. Does it make sense now? So this will become what? 15 and 12, answer is what? 3. So vector B is the answer. 13 is D. Good job, guys. Yes, Rehan, I know the notes have not been shared, but we'll share it in our WhatsApp channel only. Okay. Alright, we'll share in the WhatsApp channel only. 13th is done. B. Question number 14 now. Yeah. Once more, please. 14th, all of you who want to solve the 14th one, go ahead and solve it, bacha. I'll help you with the 14th one first, then I'll go and take the doubt of Arif. This is saying that vector A is there, vector B is there, orthogonal in nature. Orthogonal means, first of all, this result A dot B, it's a good question guys, will be 0. So please use it over here. We get mu for the first, we get j into lambda means just lambda, and we get minus k into 2k, so minus 2 equal to 0. So you got mu plus lambda equals to 2. This is your one relation. Okay, same way if you use this condition also, mod of A means modulus of the both vectors are equal. So modulus of square will also be equal. If mod is equal means modulus square is also equal. How do you find modulus of square from this? 1 plus lambda square and plus 4 equals to mu square 1 plus 1. Please solve from here. Please solve from here. Solve from here, okay? And continue. You'll get the equations. You'll get the, simplify this. Get the equation number 2 from the second statement. Yes, Arif, I'll go back to the previous question. Yeah. So question number 13, as I mentioned, they are mutually perpendicular means A dot B is 0, A dot B is 0, and they are both equal to what? Unit vector, so their modulus is also equal to 1. If you expand it, you will get 3A into 5A as 15A square, 2B into 6B as minus 12B square. What about 3A into 6B, sir? 0, because you'll get A dot B, so 0. And over here B dot A again 0. So you don't have to take that value, simply 15 minus 12, that becomes 3, because mod of A and B are given 1 and 1. Okay. Now over here that we have, let's do one thing. Bring on this side and rest on this side. So 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 minus 2. We get mu square minus lambda square. Okay. So we have mu minus lambda and mu plus lambda as 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. And mu plus lambda is given in the first equation as 2. So we get mu minus lambda into 2 equals to 3, which gives me mu minus lambda equal to 3 by 2. And that's my equation number 2. This is my equation number 2. So simply, of course, add equation 1 and 2, guys. If you do that, lambda and lambda cancels. You have 2 mu over here, 2 mu, and 3 by 2 plus 2. So 3 by 2 plus 2. How much is this? 3 by 2 is 1.5. 2 is again 2 only. This becomes 3.5 or 7 by 2. So your value of mu becomes 7 by 2 into 2. So answer is 7 by 4. New value is 7 by 4. We have that in the option. If you check, both options are having the same value, okay, but mu is the second one actually, so answer should be option A only, right? Yeah, they're asking lambda comma mu, so this becomes what? 7 by 4. All right, but we have to find the value of lambda also to be sure. Let's check lambda value is what, because check over here, guys, we have two options with the same values, 1 by 4, 7 by 4, 7 by 4, 1 by 4, but mu is coming as 7 by 4, whereas mu in this ordered pair second. So I'll check this value as second, 7 by 4. Okay, so option A. Arif, I know you have solved this PYQ. In the PYQ what was given, this option was different. I have changed it. I have changed this option because if you look at this, I changed this on purpose so that you guys will make this mistake. You are saying that, sir, mu value 7 by 4. Okay, in the question it was given 1 by 2 over here, that's why you chose the option B. But if an option comes like this, where both values are same, 7 by 4, 7 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, then which is the right option? In the question, you had 1 by 2 over here. Let me show you. In the question, you had 1 by 2 and 7 by 4. And you had over here, 7 by 4 and 1 by 4. Yeah. Other one is what? 7 by 4 and 1 by 4. What are they asking us, sir? Lambda comma mu. So far, when you solved it, you got mu value as 7 by 4. Compare this mu with lambda. So of course, this 7 by 4 will come in which place, sir? In the ordered pair, second place. So even if this was given as 1 by 2, so I've changed this value to what? 1 by 4 and 7 by 4. Now, if this question comes, this and this is the two given option. This is the option B and this is the option A. Then you have to choose which option? Option A. Because the ordered pair in the question given is what? Lambda comma mu. And mu is what? 7 by 4. If you take this one, from here, what is the value of mu coming as? 1 by 4. That's why I took this change in the option. Okay, I have changed the option from 1 by 2 to 1 by 4. Is everyone clear? Is everyone clear with what I said? Yes, Akshat. Yes, Naveen. Yes, Naveen was there, and one more student was there, Pallav, I think. So all of you, let me tell you once again, we have uploaded it yesterday. If for some reason it has not gone yet, we'll check with the team and they will they'll confirm it. But I will be able to tell you a short answer only after the class is over and I go and sit with the team. Right now, let's focus on the class only. Okay, the faster I can finish the class, the sooner I'll have your answer. Okay, yes. Yes, Prakhar, everyone, I understand your question. So let me just, as I mentioned again, I will take care of your doubt. Once I end the class, I'll go back and ask the team. Okay, they will update that in the WhatsApp channel that we have. Yeah, so everyone be a little patient. So of course, don't worry, it's not like we are doing it for the first time, so we know what we're doing. If there's a problem that can occur, that unplanned problem, we'll see. Otherwise, I think there should not be any problem, because I was sitting with the team till very late night yesterday, and they have uploaded it. I remember that. Okay, so we'll check it up. Yes, yeah, so answer is option A, guys. Question number 14, option A is correct. 15th one, let's solve the 15th one. So did you guys like what I did to the question? Because this kind of thing can happen in the examination and you'll make this mistake. So please be careful what you are answering for, because I remember in the boards one question came about, like a question came about increasing decreasing function. So they mentioned that increasing function, increasing, student wrote what? Let's say the critical point was A over here, A. They wrote what? A to infinity was the option given. Okay, and there was no option. They said this is wrong, sir. It was a statement based question. Okay, statement 1 is false, statement 2 is wrong. Here answer A infinity was in statement number 1. Okay, and it says what? A comma infinity is what? In this interval 8 comma infinity will be increasing in nature, because over here f dash of x is coming more than 0. But what happened, what they were saying that, sir, you taught us that strictly increasing case, only in this case we have the open interval A infinity. If the case is just increasing, we will use A close to infinity. That's true, but only if the comparison is given. In the question statement, even so, if I ask you, please tell me, in this interval, is the function decreasing or is the function not increasing? In this case, is the function not increasing? Function is still increasing only, sir. If it is not going to be this case, why can't we choose this option? But even in this interval, the function nature does not change to be decreasing. So still the statement when it's mentioned that the critical point was A comma infinity and it is going to be increasing in that case, so they should not have waited for strictly increasing to click over there. Because even though when we are comparing in the question, when we have both options present in the question, we have, let's say, option A as A comma infinity, option B as close A comma infinity, option C, let's say we have minus A to A, and option D is none of the above. Then we'll choose which option. It depends on one question. If this says only increasing, then we'll choose the option B. If this says a question says strictly increasing, then we'll choose the option A. Getting it? So there's a difference, bacha. So that's why the options can confuse you if you don't know the concept very well. Getting it? Good morning, Shrikant. Okay, so you must have seen this. Yes, Lagrange identity, that's correct. Oh, who said this? Who said this? Siddhant, correct. Yeah. So I hope you are getting my point. So we have this relation A cross B square plus A dot B square. One of the favorite concept of KCET, by the way, guys. So please remember this. You'll find this question more than once. More than once in the last, not more than once, actually more than 4 or 5 times in the last 10 years. Okay, this is the relation that we have, Lagrange identity. So we want to find this value. We have this and this. Please check 16 and 4. So write this over here. 16 square and 4 square, and what they're asking is actually root on this. So apply root on this. We get the answer as root of 16 square is 16, 4 square is 4. Answer becomes what? No guessing, option D is correct. Narendra, your answer is correct. 15 is D. Yes, 15 is D. Correct. Yeah. Everyone in the class, please go ahead and like the session right now. Okay, so yeah, right now. Alright guys, everyone in this class, if you think what we are doing over here in the 15-day challenge, because you will not realize it until it is over, what a phenomenal work we did with the 15-day challenge. We have completed our portions of PU1 and PU2 PYQs and KCET pattern questions in the first 15 days itself, and we went chapter wise also. Okay, now when the marathon starts, we're going to club the chapters and solve the questions over there. Okay, so if you do not realize it, understand this, we have done great deal of work. For somebody who has been consistent with us in the 15-day challenge, they have made a subsequent amount of progress. Okay, substantial amount of progress. So I'm really happy. A clap to all of you who are being part of the day 1 to day 15. So we have one more class after this, which is on the integration calculus. Okay, so we'll have that part later. Yes, I'll explain your doubt, Rupa. Don't worry about that. So all of you who've been there since the beginning of 15-day challenge, I am proud of you all, and I'm really grateful that you trusted me that we can all do a good job over here. And if you really find what we did good, or if you find it's helpful, do not forget to like the class and share this session, this channel with all of your friends, all of your classmates. Okay, because our appreciation is your appreciation is our motivation. We work on that. So when we see your appreciation, when we see your love, it actually motivates us, gives us more energy to stand here morning, night, whatever it is, and work hard for all of you. Okay guys? Yes. Which one, Shreyas? I did not understand your question. Yes. So Rupa, don't worry, I'm gonna describe the question again. This is the property bacha, as I mentioned. Okay, Lagrange identity. Cross product of a square and dot product of a square, if taken as sum, is equal to what? Mod of a square and mod of b square. Okay, now they have asked for this value in the root, so we have taken the root on both sides. Mod of a is given as 16, so we take 16 square. This is given as 4, so 4 square. And if you solve the identity, you get what? Root of 16 square is going to be what? 16 only. And root of 4 square is how much? 4 only. Answer becomes 64. Okay, Rupa? Yes, this is the part of 15-day challenge. I write it in the beginning only, right? 15-day challenge was going on from for the date, it is going on till 9th of April. This is the 7th class in that. So each of the teacher got 8 classes. So today is my 7th session in the 15-day challenge, and we'll have one more where I'm going to solve the integral calculus. Okay, yes. Okay guys, it's expected to be today only, but there might be some delay. We'll confirm if there is an update on that. We have just checked, there is no update as of now, but we'll let you know as soon as possible once something is clear. Okay, so doubt class today is allowed, sir. Yes, you can ask your doubts. Okay, so everyone, please do not forget to like the class and subscribe to our channel if you find what we are doing over here helpful. Okay, because that's what I mentioned, is what excites us, energizes us to come back harder. Acha, somebody was asking me right now, so I'm going to discuss this with all of you. So this was something they were asking for Comet K 30 crash course, guys. Okay, so starting yesterday only, we had the yesterday orientation. So 6th of April was the orientation, by the way. So lovely to see many of you attended yesterday, and we got to talk to you. Naveen was there, Akshit was there, many more students were also there. Sorry if I'm not able to take your name right now. So but yeah, this was orientation class on 6th of April. Today 7th of April, you all are getting beta your one-shot sessions of PU1 and PU2 together. You're getting all of these together. Okay, for students who are from CBSE, 11th and 12th, you're getting all the one-shots together only for all the subjects, physics, chemistry, maths. Okay, now this is a crash course, and the doubt classes, the live doubt class will start from 9th of April. And if you have joined it, you know the schedule has already been shared to you, just giving you clarity. And for whoever has not joined the class, if you want to write Comet K, okay, good alternative, less competition over there, easy to get the rank. The price of this crash course is 2499. You can take it up as soon as possible. We are offering mock test also over here. And for somebody who just want to, there are 5 mock tests alongside Comet K. Means in this only we are getting 5 mock tests, sir. Okay, we are getting 5 mock tests. For people who think they need to work on theory, like many of you, of course you should go with the crash course. But if you feel that your preparation is very good, right, then for you all we have something which is Comet K rank booster test series. Okay, in this we get 12 mock test, and this is available at the price of 999. Make your choice whatever you want to. Okay, this is for Comet K students, and for KCET student, I think all of you already enrolled into it. But if still somebody has missed out, my recommendation as of this point right now, ABHYAS test series. Okay, please take this as soon as possible. In this prices of the course is 999, and you get 30 plus mock tests, and the best part is what you have in this part syllabus test also, beta. Means for somebody, let's say, who is practicing vector algebra, their preparation of PYQ is done by me. They want to solve more questions on it. They can attempt the part test of the vector algebra and 3D geometry. So they have that. Okay, we have clubbed the chapters together and made a part test on it. So you can go and check the part test. So we have 30 mock tests, 30 plus mock tests over there in the ABHYAS test series, and you have part syllabus test also, and you also have full syllabus test as well. Okay, and for somebody, again, this is priced at 999. For somebody who's still want to cover up theory, okay, and think that they can do it in the given time, of course, you can take KC 30 30-day crash course. Okay, KCET 30-day crash course is there, and in this the price is what, 199 actually, 1999, sorry. Okay, we have how much time? We have close to 15-16 days. If you can do it, KC 30 is for all of you. Okay guys, so for all of you, for Comet K, if you're writing Comet K, even KCET student who are writing Comet K, of course fees will be higher in Comet K. If you go to colleges, KCET fees are much lower. You can choose either of these, rank booster test series or your Comet K 30-day crash course. ABHYAS test series is at 999, and this is the KC 30 crash course. Anybody has any doubt regarding any of the information I've given, please go ahead and ask me. Okay. KCET syllabus, there's some addition in the Comet K syllabus, means some of the concepts are added. For example, in straight line some extra concept is there. Okay, some of the concepts are added, but most of the times, like majority of the portions are same only. 90% of the portions are same only. Okay, you're welcome, Akshat. AOPP, I don't know how to pronounce your name. So yes, expected to come today, but there might be a delay. We'll let you know as anything solid comes from the board. Okay, any info update comes, we'll let you know. Anything else? Thank you, Shravya. Lovely bacha. See, Shravya is asking you guys to like the class. Okay, 2 people, me and Shravya. Okay, since we are asking since the beginning of this class only, please go ahead and like the class. But no, not good, sir. Please improve, sir. Ankit sir, do better. We'll like the class. Right, guys? Okay, I'll do better. Okay, so anybody has any doubt regarding your crash courses or this? For students who are for Comet K 30 crash course, the one shot not uploaded, I'll check it up once the class is over. But I think we made sure that everything was uploaded yesterday only, but we'll see what is the problem, okay, if there is any. Okay guys, so question number 16, the angle between A and B is 2 pi by 3, a projection of the A. This is a simple one. Okay, this will be what? Projection of this, so B cos theta, sorry. We have done that. First we finished class 11 chapters only in KCET, in the 15-day challenge. First 3 session was of that itself, okay? Yes, sir. Now I'm doing your, class 12th chapters. So go ahead, theta value is given over here, guys. And you have the modulus of -2. They have given the projection of this as well. So they have given the projection as -2. They're asking you find the mod of A. So A dot B. Come on, give me the answer. Anybody? What is the answer going to be? Question number? Darshan, again in KCET, close to 40 questions come from PU2 syllabus or 12th syllabus, and what is it? PU1 20 questions, but it becomes more from PU1 in Comet K. Darshan, that's your answer. I have actually messaged them. I'm still waiting for the reply, Akshat. But after I finish the class, I'll go and ask them. Okay? Yeah. Yes. Okay, guys. So can we go about this? Mod of A, right? Cos of 2 pi by 3. Can you find this now? Please check. Anybody has an answer? Anyone has an answer? Still waiting? Yes, I will do that. I'll do that. I have to take a question, but I'll do that. But if to wait KKAM, it's a very good question. Can you wait till last? I have 14 questions more to finish. After I finish it, I'll give you the answer. I'll explain everything from the beginning for the Wavy curve method. And everyone who is there in the live, if you have any doubt regarding Wavy curve, please wait till the end. I'll clear it today. Okay? Yes. A, somebody saying A is the right answer. Correct. A is the answer given by Shrikanji. Correct, Shrikanji. Your answer is right. So mod of A, I'm looking for mod of A remains as it is. This is going to be what? 2 pi by 3 means second quadrant, so minus 1 by 2 and minus 2. Cross multiply, this becomes what? Mod of A is 4. Mod of A is 4. Yes, Vidya, your answer also correct? Correct. Others, what happened? Sir, please teach better. This is not enough. Is it? Something wrong? All of you are angry with me? How many of you are angry with me in the class today? Because I was a little bit in the mood in the beginning. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Others, please answer this question. A unit vector perpendicular to the plane. So let's say this is the vector A and this is the vector B. So they're saying that if vector A is like this and vector B is like this, let's say. Okay, they're asking us for a plane perpendicular to the vector A and B. Vector A and B is over here. So perpendicular means it'll go like this. So basically I have to find A cross B. Let's say this is my vector C. And what are they asking actually? They are asking us C cap. They're asking us C cap. So find C equals to A cross B. A and B is given. And find the unit vector across that. Guys, go ahead and solve it. Okay, your friend. So, okay, sir. Okay. This is, let's say, X. Okay, not X. I'll take X, A only. A, B. Okay. And this angle is given as theta, sir. What beta is the component of A across B? This will be given by A cos theta. Component of A across B is what? A cos theta. Component of A across B is what? A cos theta, provided theta is the angle between A and B. They've given the angle between them as 2 pi by 3. Am I right or wrong? Correct, sir. So I will write the projection of A across B as, because if you project it, it will come something like this. If you see, this is called as projection of A across B. This is called as projection of A across B. So A cos theta. A cos theta. They've given this value as minus 2. They're given the projection as minus 2. So solve it, you get the result as 4. This was somebody who asked for this question's doubt. Any problem now? Joe, is it clear now? 17th answer is given by Sankar. B is correct. B is the right answer. Superb, Sankar, good job. Proud, super proud. Can you find C then? Let's go ahead. I, J, K. So I, J, K will be what? 1, 2, 1, minus 2, 1, 3. So we can find the vector C right now. This is coming as with I cap. Please check. 6 minus 1, which is 5. With minus J cap, we'll get 3 minus of minus 2 becomes again 5. And with K cap, please check. 1 plus 4, again 5. I hope you all know how to find a determinant. So please find the value. So getting this vector C as 5 is common, sir. I minus J and K. So after getting this result, we can get the answer quickly, because we know that very well. If I take C as this, even C cap will be what? Even C cap will be what? Vector C upon mod of C. Why would we find mod? Plus first thing is check whether does any answer with the similar vector notations. I minus jk. Not there, not there, not there. Only one option is there, which is option B. Clearly my answer is option B, guys. Darshan, we have 15 answer more, I think. 14 answer more. Yes, Rishabh, my mother tongue is Hindi actually. I am from Patna, Bihar. Yes. Okay. Joe, I hope I have cleared your previous questions doubt. Komal and Arif, Sankar, Varsha, Vidya, all of you gave, Srikant also gave the right answer as option B. Question number 18 now, guys. But before that it was difficult, I remember, day before yesterday, right? Yeah, but yesterday, sir, I'm from UP, we are neighbors. Good to know, Rishabh. I hope, from where in UP? Would like to know that as well, since you mentioned that. A and B are unit vectors, theta is the angle between them. We are looking for sin theta value. Let's solve this. So I would call all of you Vidya, Varsha, Srikant, Komal. Then we have Joe, we have Arif, Akshat, all of you. Vikshan, okay, Shreyas. Give me answer for the question number 18 now. Come on. Gorakhpur. Very popular city actually, and a lot of development over there. One of our favorite Bhojpuri actors is from there only, so of course there's no guessing about it. Rajesh is saying, how my name is Mahit. Hi Mahit. Okay. Yes. Hi Mahit ji. A and B are unit vectors. They are saying they are unit vectors, so of course this is going to be what, sir? Mod of A equals to mod of B equals to 1. Okay. Now, sin theta by 2. Why? How would we know whether to use A plus B or A minus B? I'll say use A minus B. How, sir? How, sir? Because if you use A minus B, I'll tell you, you'll have over here mod of A square, mod of B square, and you have a minus sign 2 mod of A, mod of B, cos theta. Why I mentioned to use A minus B? Because if you remember, this formula 1 minus cos theta is nothing but 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta is what? 2 sin square theta by 2. Yes or no? And if you use over here plus sign, this becomes plus 2ab cos theta. Plus 2ab cos theta. Clearly that will not be the case for sin, will be the case for cos. If you have over here formula number 2, 1 plus cos theta, this becomes what? 2 cos square theta by 2. But we want the value of sin theta by 2, so that's why I chose to go with A minus B the whole square. Let's continue. This value is 1, sir. Also 1, sir, minus 2 into 1 into 1, sir. And this is simply cos theta. Continue, please. Can you take 2 common over here? Yes, we can do that, sir. And this becomes what? 1 minus cos theta. Okay. Now bring this 2 over here. So we have A minus B the whole square by 2. Okay. And what is this value? Please check. 1 minus cos theta is, sir, 2 sin square theta by 2. Bring this 2 also over here and continue, please. You have A minus B mod by 2 the whole square equals to sin square theta by 2. Please have a look. How can I say that? If you bring 2 over here, it becomes 2 into 2 is 4. And I can write 4 as 2 square. Okay. So I have sin square theta by 2 over here. If you take the root on both sides, what I get? A minus B modulus by 2 as sin theta by 2. Option is B. Option is B. Please check. Yes. Question number 19 now. vectors ijk, anybody has doubt in the previous one? I hope not. Okay, two vectors ijk, yes, research sir, of course I'm talking about a vacation. Yes. Okay, two vectors ijk, i3j and 5k represents the two sides AB, AC. Okay, sorry guys, got lost. Yeah, triangle ABC is there. Okay, and vector AB is like this, vector AC is like this. I'm looking to find the median through the vector A. So basically I'm finding the length of AD vector, right? Length of AD vector. So the formula for this question is what? Length of AD vector is given by vector AB plus AC by 2 mod. Okay, please, anybody has the answer, let me know. Okay, it's okay Arif, I hope you understood now. Yeah. Question number 18, 19 now, please, 19. Moving on to question number 19. Nobody has an answer? No one? Really? Are you guys solving it? C. Vamsita is saying C. C is the correct answer. Super, Vamsita. First one to give this answer. It's a very simple question, by the way. Add it. 1 plus 1 is 2, 4, and this is how much? Please check. 1 plus 1 is 2, 4 and 6. So 2i cap, 4j cap, 6k cap by 2, and the modulus is still there. Continue please. You get simply I cap, 2j cap and 3k cap modulus. Root of 1, 4, 9, root of 14. Root of 14. Now everybody has given the answer C, 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 C. Okay. Okay. Jackal Sparrow, you are the best. Is it for Vamshita? Darshan is also saying C. Superb. You are the best, sir. Is it? It's for me. I thought it's for your classmates, your peers in the class. Okay. Okay, thank you. If you think it is true, if not the best, I try to be at least a decent teacher for all of you. Okay, guys. Yeah. Question number 20. As I mentioned, this is one of the favorite property of CET and keeps asking this all the time. What is this property? A cross B the square plus A dot B the square is what? Mod of A square into mod of B square. This value is given as how much? 144. Right here, 144. This is given as 6 square. I'm looking for this value. Bring it over here. This is what? Actually 12 is square, and this is what? 6 is square. Take square root everywhere. You get this as 12 by 6 equals to mod of P, and I hope the answer is there now. Yeah, answer is 2. So B. Cancel this. Yes. So everybody gave the right answer for the question number 20. Okay, guys. 20 is done. 21. Acha, why do you guys not came for the class on Sunday? Sunday I took a very important chapter, continuity and differentiability. So even if you have not watched it and did not come for the class, go and watch it. That chapter C&D and AOD comes for how much? 9 marks. Okay, and very easy in nature. So please go and watch that. I have solved 44, 43 questions over there. So please go and solve that. All the 43 questions. Excuse me, very, very important. Okay, I was surprised that nobody came for the class. Actually, it was a very, very important session. Okay, so everyone, 20th question I'll repeat. Okay. This is from Indu. I'll repeat that, don't worry. So everyone, please pay attention to the 15-day challenge. You'll not get another chance to come back and solve the questions chapter wise. Okay, you'll have all the chapters clubbed together, concept will be quickly covered, and we'll move on to the answer also directly. We can use the tricks also over there, but right now there's a time, so please watch these sessions very carefully and solve all the questions. Okay, Komal, okay, that was the reason. Okay, I understand now. Okay, this is the property, bacha. 20th one, this is the property, Lagrange identity. Okay, Lagrange identity. So we have this is equal to what? This is the property a square plus b square. So a square into b square, the modulus of a square and b square. A is given as 6, so right here 6 square. B is what they're asking us, so write the b as it is. Okay, this value is given as 144, so right here 144. Move on this side, 144 is 12 square, so write 12 square by 6 square. You can check this is a whole square on both sides, so we can just simply take square root. This becomes 12 by 6, this becomes mod of b, cancel, mod of b comes as 2. So this is your doubt Indu cleared. 21st one now. Yes. Yeah. So even if you are, please go ahead and watch these sessions of 15-day challenge. I know it is little longer. I know it is a lot of talking also there because it's a live class. But you can skip those parts, okay? But complete the classes. I'll tell you the best way. Download the sessions notes in the WhatsApp channel, and for a question that you need help, you can come back and watch that particular part only. Okay? That is one of the best part to cover up all the classes. Okay, as many times as possible. The area of the quadrilateral ABCD, they're asking. Okay. All right, sir. Let's find then. We have to find the vectors first. A, B, C, D. Okay. Can you find this vector AC and vector BD? Vector AC value. Into saying which divide by 144 by 36, we get 4, right? Correct. So 4 is equals to what? Mod of b square. So what is b equal to? Root of 4. How much is that? 2 only, right? Yeah. Vidya, okay, AC you are saying, right? So it's going to be AC means 4, 1 and minus 1. AC will be what? 4 I cap plus j cap minus k cap. And for BD can we find? We can find BD also. So we can go 2 minus 2 is going to be 0. And we have 6 minus 3 is going to be what? 3. And 2 minus of minus 1 again 3. Am I right? 0, 3 and minus 3 and plus 3. Of course, you got to be prepared. 50 plus is something which is very high, and if you are aiming for it, means your concept should be clear. If you're asking me, sir, are you covering all the concepts in the chapter? Are you solving important PYQs? I am doing that, okay? Score can come if you have the grasp on the concepts, if you know all the formulas, okay? If you strategize well, okay? Strategize well means you got to score the out marks in easy and moderate questions, because 20 of them will be easy, approximately again 25 of them will be moderate, and 15 questions will be difficult in nature. You got to score out over here, which is nothing but 45 marks. You can easily score 5 from here. It becomes what? 50 marks. Getting it? So you have to make a proper strategy. You have to follow the chapters of PU and also with the good importance given, because PU1 chapters are easier in nature, and there are close to 20 questions comes. Out of that, 10 will be very easy in nature. Okay? So with the right strategy, yes, you can. Yes, 9 is so yeah, answer is 9 square units. That's correct. Yeah. Okay. Komal is asking in the property B square. Okay, I did not get your question, Komal. Yeah, B square is there, correct? Yeah. Can you repeat what, Chandana? What can I repeat? Please tell me. So this question I'm still solving it. I'm just waiting for your answers. I'm asking you to find the answer. AC. So AC vector, can you find? A and C over here, B and D over there. Find AC, BD. You get the what I've written. Let's find AC cross BD then. Find AC cross BD. 1 second, guys. So diagonal is there, no? So 1 by 2 into D1 cross D2. Okay, so please find the value of AC cross BD. Yeah. Find the value of AC cross BD. So I, J and K, and we have over here 4, plus 1 and minus 1, and we have 0, 3 and 3, I guess, right? 0, 3 and 3. So please solve this. With I cap, you're going to get what? 3 plus minus of 3 is going to be 6 only. Yeah, 3 minus and minus 3 becomes 6 only. Minus J cap, 12 is what we have. And plus K cap, we have what? 12, sorry. Yeah, 1 second. With 12 only. With K cap, we also have 12 only. Yeah. So we have this value. We can take 6 common, guys. We'll have I minus 2J and 2K. So we have 6 times of I minus 2J plus 2K divided by 2 modulus. This cancels. 3 is there. Modulus f of this value will give me how much? 1 plus 4 plus 4. Answer is 3 times of 3. How much was that? 9 square units. So answer was given by Mahit already. I hope it is correct. Please check. Last few questions. Can we start? Yeah. Any other doubt? Okay, I got your point, Kaushik. Thank you. Mir Jafar has said expected to be coming today only, but there might be a delay. We'll let you know once an update comes. 22. Question 22 now. Answer, please. All of you in the class, please go ahead and like the session right now if you find what I'm doing over here is helpful to you. Okay. Okay. Yeah. A vector A makes equal acute angles on the coordinate axis. Okay. Vector A makes equal acute angle on the coordinate axis. What is the value of projection of vector B on A? Okay. 1 second, guys. Means this value is same, no? Pi by 4, pi by 4. Am I right? Pi by 4 and vector B is also given. They are asking us projection of vector B on A. So B dot with A cap. That's what they are asking us. So B dot with how to find A cap, sir? 1 second, guys. On coordinate axis means this is a vector, means in the 3D space we're going to talk about. So we'll have, sir, L value equals to M value equals to N value. Why are we taking L, M, N? Because I'm writing A cap. A cap is nothing but Li cap, Mj cap and Nk cap. So if you use action cosines now, yes, we will do that. We'll do that, okay? Yeah. Answer is B correct, Shrikant. B is correct answer. Kavana, your answer is also correct. Expected to come today only. So this is vector A cap. We can write using what? Action cosines. They're saying they're equal coordinate, means your alpha value is equal to beta value equals to gamma value. Alpha, beta, gamma are equal. They're saying equal acute angles across all the coordinate axes. So cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma equal. So L, M, N equal. So L square, M square plus N square equals to 1. 3L square equals to 1. So L square equal to 1 by 3, which means L value equals to M value equals to N value equals to plus minus 1 by root 3. Plus minus 1 by root 3. Okay, guys. So if you go about this, you'll have what? Have a look. 5 I cap plus 7 J cap minus K cap with what? I plus J plus k upon what? Root 3. Take this out. 5 into 1 is 5. 7 into 1 is what? 7 and minus 1 by root 3. Answer becomes what? 11 by root 3. That's option B only, guys. Correct. Option B is the right answer. (23) The diagonals of a parallelogram are vectors, okay, given over here. Length of outer side. Vector A is given, vector B is given. Other will be same only. Diagonal D1, diagonal D2. Okay. So if you want to form here, you can get this value as, if you take this also as vector B, you can use the triangle. If I use A, B, C and D, you can see that in triangle ABC, A plus B is what? Diagonal D1. Vector A plus B is what? Diagonal D1. And same way, if you go about this one, for D2 it will become what? A minus B. Getting it? If you add them, you will end up with what? Please check. If you add them, you will end up with D1 equals to. Anybody has an answer? Yes, Komal, I'll repeat that, don't worry. Others, please solve this question. Yeah. Yeah. So from there you can find D1. You can add them. This will be removed, A value. If you add them and remove them, correct. You'll have the A value from here, no? Adding this, so D1 plus D2 by 2. Sorry. D1 plus D2 vector by 2. If you want to find the modulus, supply modulus on both sides. And for B vector, subtract them. So you'll have D1 minus D2 by 2. Okay, guys? From here you can check what is this value coming as? Sum of the 2 divided by 2. So 3 minus 1 is 2, 6 minus 2 is 4. So we have, what is this? Please check. We have 2i cap plus 4j cap, am I right? 2i cap, 4j cap and minus 10k cap. We are adding it, right? Divide by 2, taking as modulus over here. Difference. So 3i minus I will be what? 4i actually. 6i minus of this will become what? 8j. Answer will be what? Plus 8 means plus 6k by 2. Continue to solve this one and this one individually. For this one you can find it over here only. You'll get this cancelled. So 2i, 4j and 3k, guys, over here. And for this one you can check. This is coming as, this value is I, 2j and 5k. Modulus you can find over here. 4, 16 and 9. How much is that? 29. Over here, modulus is coming as 1, 4 and 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. What are they asking us, sir? The shorter side. So this is the value for mod of B and this is the value for mod of A. Which is shorter, sir? This is shorter. Answer is what, sir? Answer is option B. 23 is option B. Have a look. Yes, option B. Again, everyone continue to this question and just give me 1 second to clear doubt of your friend. Komal is asking, 20 seconds has doubt. Just give me 1 second, guys. He is asking what? Okay, so acute angle, if a coordinate axis make the same angle. So coordinate axis, any vector makes how an angle it is made by all the vectors. So basically this is going to be your alpha, sir, sorry, alpha over here, beta over here and gamma over here. This is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Getting it? So alpha, beta, gamma equal means L square, M square, M square, N square also equal. It becomes what? 3L square. Because what is this? L is nothing but cos alpha, M is nothing but cos beta, gamma is nothing but N is nothing but cos gamma. Okay, so if you go like this, sorry, gamma is like this, not the other way around. Yeah, so cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, and the result is L square, M square, N square equals to 1. They are all equal means 3L square equals to 1. So L value comes as LMN equal 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 with plus minus sign. So can you find, as I mentioned, using the LMN value, anybody can find the unit vector. So unit vector is given by, what is it? 1 by root 3 I cap, J cap and K cap. That's my unit vector. Okay, so I have taken the same over here. You can check I, J, K. If you take the dot product of this, it will become 5 into 1, 7 into minus 1, and minus 1, 7 into plus 1 actually. And minus 1 into minus 1, it becomes simply plus 1, it becomes minus 1. 12 minus 1 is 11, 11 by root 3 is the answer. Option B is correct. 23, anybody has doubt? Yes, Kinjal, I will check right now, bacha. I know many of you are saying that it's not uploaded yet, so I'm going to check it right now. Okay? Yeah, after the class. So nobody has doubt in 23rd one. 24th one now. 24th one answer, I think 23 is C. 23 is C, right? Not C, sir. It is B. Shrikant, please check. 23 is B. Okay. 24 is C. Okay, 1 second. 24 is C, correct. Shrikant, you're right. Super, good job. Yes, 24 is B, correct only. So they're saying that area parallelogram with A and B has two sides. They've given what? A cross B modulus is what? 15 square units. They've given that. Okay. They're saying find the area parallelogram with the sides given as 3A plus 2B and A plus 3B. That's what they're asking us. Can you find that? Of course, sir. A cross A is 0. B cross B is 0. Because between the same vectors you'll have the angle as 0, and in cross product you have sine 0. That's why it becomes 0 only. So you'll take this 3A with 3B, it becomes 9 of A cross B, and 2B with A over here it becomes plus 2 times of B cross A. Okay. Do we have B cross A value? Of course not. So we'll find this as A cross B as it is. Okay. And we'll change the sign over here. It becomes minus 2 of A cross B. Am I right? This is B cross A, sir. I have the value of A cross B only. A cross B and B cross A are not same. They are opposite in sign. So I'll write B cross A as minus 2A cross B. 9 minus 2 is what? 7 A cross B. I'm looking for what? The area. So 7 times of modulus of A cross B. Modulus of A cross B is given as 15. So 105 is my answer. Yeah, good job, Shrikant. Okay. Yes. 24th one, I hope everybody is clear. How do I take this as D1? So check this. No, if you add them, bacha, if you add these two equations, what will happen? You'll get B and B cancel. You'll have A plus A as 2A. You'll have A plus A as 2A, and over here you'll have D1 plus D2. 2 will move on that side. So D1 plus D2 by 2. Now take subtract them. If you subtract these two, what will happen? B and B cancels. Sorry, B and B adds up. A and A cancels. You'll have 2B. D1 minus D2. D becomes D1 minus D2 by 2. So adding gives me D1 plus D2. From there we get the value of A because B cancels. And subtracting gives me D1 minus D2. There A value cancels and it becomes 2B on the left hand side. Komal. You're welcome. Okay. So anybody had doubt in the previous question? I hope not. This one, very simple question by the way, guys. Take the whole square. Yeah. So we'll take the whole square on both sides, okay? we'll have a square b square twice of a dot b. Over here again same thing, a square b square minus twice of a dot b. Okay, check this and this cancels, and I can move this on this side. We get what? 4 times of a dot b is 0. It means a dot b is 0. And when is the dot product of two vectors 0? When they're perpendicular. Answer is what? B. Darshan, just last 5 questions, bacha, guaranteed. I know I mentioned that 11 already, but this is last 5 questions. See, we are on slide number, question number 25 now, last 5 questions. Sorry, I went a little late because there were many questions students were asking me in the class. Sorry. Okay, I'll speed up if you want me to. The component of, should I go faster? If you want me to, I can go faster. Okay, I can show you. Let me go faster. The component of I direction of the vector this, okay, I with this we're gonna get right. So how do you do that? We'll have to need the modulus of this. So I did, let's say this vector is b, so I'll go I dot with b cap. So I dot with b cap will be what? I plus j and 2k vector. We're having dot product over here, and modulus of this value. So root of 1 plus 1 plus 4. Okay, I dot with I will be 1, rest all will be 0, so we get 1 upon root 6. Rationalize it. Root 6 by root 6. I get root 6 by 6. My answer is option C. 26 is C. Yeah. Anybody wants me to slow down, please let me know, otherwise I'll continue and finish this class. Okay, 26 is option C. Anybody has doubt in the question number 26? Okay, good job guys. Okay, super. 27 now. 27th one. This is last year's PYQ, by the way. This is last year's PYQ. This is from 2025. A is this, B is given, C is also given, such that A plus lambda B is perpendicular to C. Okay. Let's find A plus lambda B first. So how do we add two vectors? How do we add two vectors? We add x component to x component, y component to y component, and z component to z component. X component over here in A, 1. Over here, it says a lambda b, sir, lambda into 1. So lambda plus y to y, 2. 2 here, minus 1 is there. So we'll add with 2 minus lambda, because lambda times b is there. I have to multiply lambda with over here, so 2 times of minus lambda will be 2 plus lambda of minus 1 becomes minus lambda. 1 plus 4 lambda for the k component. 1 plus 4 lambda k cap. Have a look. Here 1, here we have 4. Multiply with lambda. Dot with c. Check. C is where? Here, sir. So basically it is easy for us. It is all 1 1 1. Means the result will remain as the components of A plus lambda B. So we'll have over here 1 plus lambda, 2 minus lambda, because into 1 will give me the same value. 1 plus 4 lambda equal to what? 0. So 4 lambda, this lambda cancels. We have 1 plus 2 as 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 plus 4 lambda is 0. What's the lambda value? Minus 1. 3 is the answer. Please check. Correct. Comedy 30 lectures, you told it will come by 8 AM, sir. Naveen, I understand, Naveen. Please be punctual. I understand your frustration completely. Unfortunately, I am in a class right now. I cannot go and ask the team. I have messaged them, but they are working on something. I think that's why they have not replied it yet. I'll go back right now. Just last 3 questions are left, 4 questions. I'll complete the class. I'll discuss that. I'll give a break of 5 minutes because somebody has asked me to explain the Wavy curve method. So guys who has asked me to explain the Wavy curve method, I'll take a break of 5 minutes in between. I'll go to the team. I'll ask them what is the update. Come back and teach you Wavy curve method, because this is very important. Okay, or if it is possible, if it is okay, because I understand your frustration and it is completely justified, can I take 5-minute break over here, guys? Just 5 minutes. So basically back at 11:15. Okay, let me just start this. I'm not taking break to go and eat or something. I'll just go right now and check what is happening in the Comet 30-day crash course, why the video is not gone. So just give me 2-3 minutes. I'll be back in just 2-3 minutes. I understand because they want to study and that's completely fair. Just give me 2-3 minutes. Okay, I'll be back. Just 2-3 minutes. Okay, Naveen sir, so I'm back. And everyone, Akshat, Naveen, Pallav, all of you who were asking for it, I have some answer. It's not good news, by the way. Yes, but it is a news, so at least some update is there. Okay, some update is there. Yes. Okay. Yeah, A is the answer, correct. A is the right answer, by the way. A is the right answer. Okay, guys. So update is that there is some issue. The data, you can all see that data is not available. So we just got in touch with the IT team. They are working on it. We'll resolve it. Be assured, we'll resolve it very soon. Okay, we are working on it as early as possible. It's gonna be resolved. Right now, we are working on it as of now. Okay, we just got to notice that. So all the sessions have been uploaded. Okay, from our side, but there is a process that has to be followed before it is published on the application or web version that you are seeing. Okay, so don't worry, the classes are ready, the content is ready, our team is working behind it. We just got into touch with the team. Okay, so yes, give me some time. I hope so. I hope it may be coming before that also. I hope all of you of the Comedy Crash Course student have received the schedule in the mail, right? So some of you were asking, you did not get the WhatsApp channel link. I've asked them to share the WhatsApp channel link also through the mail for everyone. Okay, so you'll get the WhatsApp channel link also, and schedule already you have received. Okay, so by today only you might get it. Okay. So link is not available within evening. I hope it will come. Okay. Yeah, schedule came, right? WhatsApp link also we'll share again. So things will come. Okay, guys. So just let me continue now with the question. Prakhar, I did not get your question. Till then, what we shall study? That's a very good question, actually. So we have done. I know it's unfair to ask right now, but don't worry, once it starts, it'll be very much smoother. We have actually made our platform much better for all of you, for CometK students. It's gonna come today only. We have an update that the team is working on it. Whole IT team is working on that itself. Okay, academic team has, we have academic team, IT team, manager teams, everything is there, right? So acad teams have done their work. IT team is working on it. They have a lot of files, right? PU1, PU2, PCM. How many files will be there? Think about it. Chapters. How many chapters are there? So many chapters. So of course that's why it's taking time. Okay, servers also take some time to be uploaded. So I understand your frustration. Do not be frustrated. Rest assured, we'll be solving it very soon. Okay, and please guys join the WhatsApp channel. The link will share it again. We have already shared yesterday. Many of you already joined yesterday. If you have not joined yet, we'll share it again through the mail. You can join it over there. Okay, and yeah. Any update that is coming will be given in the WhatsApp channel so that you can easily communicate with us over there. Okay. No, do not watch Masterstroke. Masterstroke, I would recommend you to solve some questions from CometK Launchpad. Okay, we've been giving those sessions, so please go ahead and solve some CometK Launchpad questions. Okay. All right, I'm not happy to say this. I'm actually, of course, you are frustrated. We are also frustrated that it did not work out. It should be going in the morning, 8 a.m. only. Naveen is right. The classes should be scheduled as per the time which is given. So I'm here to apologize to all of you for the delay that has happened in the CometK 30-day crash course. But we'll make it happen as soon as possible, guys. Okay, trust me, trust us. We are working on it. Okay. Question number 28 now. Angle between the two diagonals of a cube. Okay, it's looking like cuboid, by the way. Let's make it cube only. Yeah. Okay, so this is my z-axis, by the way. This is my x-axis. This is my y-axis. So you all know this plane will be what? In this point will be in the 3D plane, so you'll have all the coordinates a, A. This is origin, sir. 0, 0, 0. Okay, so my one diagonal will come from here only. Yeah, let's say this is O and A. Diagonal OA will come from here, and the other diagonal will come from these two vertex, from here and here. Okay, and we can write this as, yeah, this value will be what in XY plane. So A. XY plane means z-axis is going to be 0 over here on z-axis, so 0, 0 and A. I hope it is clear. 0, 0 and A, right? Okay, that's my vector. From here, if I call this to be, let's say, C and B. Okay, C and B. Yes, Prakhar, you cannot ask, but you will get, you'll get all the informations and updates over there only. Okay. Okay, somebody is saying, Rafat, what is the problem? Please ask me again. Yeah. Hi, Saptami. Srikanth, we have 3 more questions, Srikanth. Just 3 more questions, okay? If you want, Srikanth, I can show you the next one because I understand you are all waiting for it. 29 is this one. 30 is this one. Okay? Please solve the next 2. 29 and 30. Okay? Yes. So if you go about this question, your vector AB will come as what, beta? AI cap. Sorry, OB will come as AI cap. If I write D1 vector over here, AI cap, AJ cap and AK cap. Okay? And D2 will come again as what? If you subtract this, you'll get what? AA minus A. So AI cap, AJ cap and minus AK cap. Subtracted. A minus 0 is A minus 0 is A, and 0 minus A is minus A. I'm looking for angle between them, so we'll go like this. D1 dot D2, guys. So we'll have this value as A square plus A square minus A square, and this value will become what? D1 mod, D2 mod and cos theta, right? Have a look. This becomes what, sir? This value becomes 2A square. Okay, 2A square. Sorry, not 2A square, just A square, my bad. Just A square, and over here we have the value as 3A square. Okay, and here also we have 3A square cos theta equals to A square. Alright, so please check. Root 3 into root 3 becomes 3. So we have A into A, because A square is in the root, right? So it becomes A over here, cos theta as it is. So cos theta equals to A square. This cancels, beta. Cos theta is nothing but 1 by 3. So theta value becomes cos inverse of 1 by 3. Cos inverse of 1 by 3. Yes. Okay. Okay. As of now, there's no solid update from from the boards. As of now, result is supposed to come today only. Okay. If there is a delay, we'll let you know on our channel itself. 28 is option A, guys. Okay. 29 now. Okay. Yes, Rohit, I gave you answer. The angle between the lines, this and this, how to solve it? Cartesian form, divide by the LCM of these two, 2 and 3, which is 6. So x by 6, y by 6 and minus z by 6. For the other one, x by, these two LCM, 12, right? So x by 12 minus y by 12 and minus 4z by 12. Simplify this. X by 6, y by 6 and z by minus 6 over here. X by 12, y by minus 12, sorry, 6x was there, no? Excuse me, guys. It was 2x, 3y. This was 6x. Yeah, my bad. So let me just write this again. Have a look. It'll become x by 3, y by 2 and z by minus 6 over here. Again x by 2, y by minus 12 and z by minus 3. Okay, this is A1, A2, this is A1, B1, C1. This is, sir, A2, B2 and C2. How define the angle between them? This formula is there, sir. Cos theta equals to A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 by this particular value, A1 square, B1 square, C1 square. Okay, and so on. The other one also continues. So we'll check. 3 into 2, that's 6. 2 into minus 12, that's going to be minus 24. Minus 6 into something, doesn't seem right. Minus 6 into minus 3, that's 18, okay? Yeah, correct only. 18 plus 6 is 24. This whole thing, whatever is over here, doesn't matter, because this whole thing over here becomes 0, sir. So cos theta is 0, sir. Theta value is 90 degrees. Option C is correct. Yes. Yes, Srikanth, your answer is correct. Kanyal, we expecting it today only. There is no official update. If there is a delay, we'll let you know, okay? But as of now, it is supposed to come today only, okay? 29th, so 7th and 8th, basically, either of the two today. If it is too late today, it might come tomorrow. But there's an official date change, we'll let you know. As of now, there's no official date change, okay? Yes. So 29 is done, guys. 31, okay. The angle between the lines whose direction cosines are given over here. Direction cosines are given. For that, we have this formula: cos theta equals to L1 L2 M1 M2 N1 N2, right? So root 3 into root 3 will become what? 3 by 16, 1 by 16, and minus 3 by 4. 16 is the LCM, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 minus 4 4s are, so 12. I get this value as, how much is this? 3 by 16, 1 by 16, and minus 3 by 4. 4 for the 16 only, so minus 12. Minus 8 by 16, guys. So answer comes as this. Answer, this is a modulus, of course. Answer comes as 1 by 2. Okay. If cos theta is 1 by 2, then theta value is what, sir? Pi by 3. Option C is correct. 30 is option C. Yes. 30 is option by 30 is option C, correct. This is the last question, guys. You can see here, this is the last question. 31. Okay, yeah. If a line makes an angle pi by 3 with each of xy axis, then accurate angle made by z axis is what? Let's say this angle is what? Theta. They're saying that alpha is what? Pi by 3. They're saying beta is also pi by 3. And they're saying this gamma, basically, gamma is not known, and gamma is equals to what? They're asking this. We know the formula: cos square alpha, cos square beta, and cos square gamma equals to 1. At pi by 3, cos alpha is how much? Cos pi by 3, 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square, same thing, 1 by 2 square plus cos square gamma equals to 1. This is, sir, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. This is, sir, what? Cos square gamma equals to 1. What is this value, sir? This value is 1 by 2 only, because this is 2 by 4. So add them and move on this side. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. So I'm getting cos square gamma as 1 minus 1 by 2. That's 1 by 2 as cos square gamma. So cos gamma equals to 1 upon root 2. So gamma becomes what? Pi by 4. And that's the end of the class. That's the end of the class. Yes. All of you, before leaving, if you found the class useful, do not forget to like the session. Okay. Yes. Hi, Rafat. Yeah. C is the right answer, guys. C is the right answer. You're welcome, Shrikant sir. Thank you, Rohit sir. Thank you, Zilan sir. Thank you, Manju sir, Manjunath sir. Anybody else? Bye, Venkatesh sir. Acha, before I say bye, okay, here, I'm gonna teach you this. If people are there, if they want to learn, then only I'll teach. Otherwise, I'll skip this. Bye. Yes, Srikanth sir, enjoying my tea. Thank you, Mohin sir. Bye, Rafat. Okay. Okay. Anybody else? Yes sir, teach. Okay, Manoj sir. Thank you, Arif JK sir. Sir, tea hai. Yes, tea hai. Komal Kaushik ji. Okay. Somebody is angry. Okay. Results will come actually. So supposed to come today only. There is no change update. We are getting some news here and there saying that it might be delayed, but once we get an actual results, which is a actual update, we'll let you know. As of now, there is no official update that has come regarding that. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Next class is tomorrow. My next class is tomorrow. Okay, which is going to be on integration and an AOI differential equation. Okay. Thank you, Arif sir. Okay. Yes, I will teach. One second, I'll teach. So Wavy curve method is very useful in calculus and of course in the linear inequality, right? Of course in the linear inequality. This method, so again I'll stick to your syllabus only. I'll not go in the detail and in depth. I'll stick to your syllabus only. Tomorrow's class is at 5 p.m. Okay, it might be a little longer one because that is integration. Okay, if I take 40 questions of integration, it will take some time to solve. We'll have integration, differential equation and AOI. Okay, 3 chapters tomorrow. Okay, Arif, I'm wrong. Okay, do not get angry at all of you. Rafat is also angry. Everybody gets angry very easily. Okay, so let's get back to the question. So Wavy curve method will stick to only CET syllabus, guys, nothing extra. So what happens over here? If I write x minus 1 and x plus 3 more than equal to 0. Okay, how do we get this? Of course, we all know we'll have a quadratic, we'll factorize it. That much we know, right? Okay, that much we know. So from here we can say there's two critical point or two stationary point, which is 1 and minus 3. These are two critical point or stationary point, whichever you want to say, you can say that. Plot the number line. Minus 3 comes over here, 1 comes over here, plus infinity on this side, minus infinity on this side. Now this is the critical part. Okay, what is the critical part? Have a look. So you got to figure out the coefficient, the net coefficient. Net coefficient sign. If it is plus or minus. Plus means start, extreme, right, interval with what? Plus sign only. So in this case you check coefficient of x is 1, here also 1. It means positive only. So I'll take plus sign over here. I'll take plus sign over there. Now, so the coefficient of the net coefficient of x or the variable over there helps us understand the right interval, rightmost interval, extreme right intervals sign plus. What about other intervals, sir? For that we'll check. This is the first understanding. First understanding was what, sir? Finding critical point. Second understanding is, of course, plotting it on the number line. And third understanding is what? Knowing the net coefficient sign. Fourth one, again, very, very important. Okay. So every number you see over here will come from where? Will come from the factor. For example, 1 is coming from this factor and minus 3 is coming from this factor. Means all the critical point you have will come from some factor. Just check for power of factors to be what? Either odd or even. Odd or even. Check here. Both the power is what, sir? 1 and 1. 1 is what? Odd. So if it is odd means 1 comes from the factor x minus 1. Power is odd. So sign will change, sir. Plus becomes minus. Minus 3 again. Here also it is odd, sir. Sign will again change. Becomes minus. If in the question I wrote over here, let's say, if in the question itself, I'll go to that question. Let's say I'll take over here x minus 1, x plus 3, the whole square greater than 0. Okay, I'll come back to that later. I'll go to that question later. Right now I will not solve it right now. Let me just solve this one first. So if you have over here 1 and 1, sign changes, plus minus plus. What are we looking for? We're looking for the positive cases. Okay, so we'll choose this interval and this interval. So for the question that we have, my answer becomes x belongs to, check here, this interval, negative infinity, always open, and minus 3. What is the interval on minus 3? Close, because we have greater than equal to. If we had only greater than, we'll put here open sign. But what do we have? We don't have that. We actually have greater than equal to, so we'll have close sign. Is it the end of the answer? No sir, we have this part also. So use beta union over here and write this interval. Starts from 1. Again 1 is going to be closed to infinity, which is open. Okay, now look at the question. I've changed this. This is the approach for first question. I'll repeat. First step is to find the stationary point, the critical point. Second step to write on the number line. Clearly mark the intervals that you have, okay, the sections that you have. Now where to start the plus or minus depends upon the net coefficient sign of x, okay, the entire expression. So plus and plus is there, that's why plus. If it is plus means start extreme right interval with plus sign. Number 4 is check for the power of factors. Whichever critical point you have will come from some factor. So try to find the powers, okay. If it is odd means sign will change alternatively. If it is even, it changes. This question, critical point is 1 and minus 3. Number line sir, infinity, minus 3, 1. And what is this sir? Plus infinity. Here sir, net sign again is positive only, plus and plus. This is going to be whole square, so plus only. We'll start with this plus sign sir. At 1, it is what sir? Check here. At 1, it is what? Power is 1 sir, so odd, sign will change. At minus 3, power is even, sign will not change sir. Sign will not change sir. It means I wanted greater than, means I'll have only this as the answer. My answer becomes what? X belongs to what? Only 1 to infinity. Can you see how the answer changes? I'll make logic also over here. Please think. If I put any value before 1, put here 0. This is a positive value beta. This is a positive value. If you put a negative value over here, 0 minus 1, this whole thing becomes what? Less than 0. Do I want negative? I do not want that. I want only positive value. So for that, this has to be positive. And this is positive when? It is when x is more than 1. Answer is coming as x more than 1, 1 to infinity. So by looking at, I know in your syllabus you have never seen a question on power 2. But if it is your bad day in CET examination, and if you see the power 2 over there, what are you going to do? If your CET board KEA gives you this question, will you say I do not know sir because I did not learn the power 2 was there? Okay, because everything except for power 2 is there in your syllabus. Just when it puts power 2, you will lose that 1 mark. If it is not power 2, this is your answer. If the power 2 is there, the answer is this. Can they not create this variation? If they do, it's not going to be wrong for them to do that. So wavy curve should be clear in this 4 simple techniques. Okay. Thank you, Arif. Okay. Anybody has any problem now? (24) ABHYAS test series. That was a different one, bacha. If you can refer it, I have personally gone through 25 and 26 ABHYAS test series. Okay, so I can vouch for that. But if you know way to refer or take the ABHYAS test series, you can refer whatever is available. But my recommendation, please take the ABHYAS test series. Okay. Yes. Yes. So guys, is the wavy curve method clear? They can have different variation of x also. I can go about that. If say sir, if we had over here 2 minus x and 5 minus x more than 0. What about this sir? Critical point is sir over here 2, over here 3. Sorry. 5. Number line sir, 2, 5. Negative infinity, positive infinity sir. Sir, what about the sign over here? Minus minus, they're both minus minus. it will become plus actually. So plus, minus, plus. Powers are odd everywhere. I'm looking for more than 0, means I have to go below. My answer will become what? This is the answer. There's no close bracket, so both open, union, 5 to infinity. Okay, so I hope this is clear, guys. This is how you get the Wavy curve method. If one of them is negative, then things changes. If I take another question, 2 minus x, x minus 5. Again, let's say more than 0. Okay, in this case, again we have x equals to 2 over here and over here 5. Plot on the number line. 2, 5, plus infinity, minus infinity. Check this out. The net sign over here minus, over here plus, means total is negative only. So negative, again powers are all odd only, so negative, positive, negative. I'm looking for more than 0, so I'm going to go where? Over here, 2 to 5, both open. You can see how we can change the question by changing the sign. What is the changing the sign? Means coefficient of x, okay, or the inequality which is changed from greater than to greater than equal to, okay, or the power. Okay, these are the variations which is possible. Yes, so I hope, see Jasmine ma'am is here. Okay, she's asking you to study. I went a little crazy over there. Yes ma'am, we will continue our class only. Thank you Jasmine ma'am. Okay. Okay guys, so I hope the Wavy curve method is clear everyone. All the variations I've taught you in your syllabus. I've taught you all the variations in the syllabus. Have a look one more time. If you want, you can take the screenshot right now. Take the screenshot. Number 1, number 2, I'll again show you. Take the screenshot. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay guys, so I have taught you the Wavy curve method and variation in your syllabus. Okay. Alright guys, so that's all in this class. I've discussed your 31 questions actually in your vector and 3D chapter. Wavy curve method also explained. Tomorrow 5 p.m. I will come with the integration, of course high weighted chapter, integration and AOI 6 plus 2 is 8, 11 marks over there, tomorrow's class. So it's a big chapter and it'll take some time for us to solve and go through that session. So be a little patient and ask all of your doubts, ask all of your concerns. But yeah, that's all. Okay guys, so had lovely time with all of you. If you are here watching me for the first time, do not forget to subscribe the channel, and to get the class notes, join the WhatsApp channel we have. Link you'll find in the video's description. So join the WhatsApp channel, you get all the PDFs, all the updates. Anyone who's asking for the PU2 boards update, if anything confirmation that comes from the board, we'll share that in the WhatsApp channel as soon as possible. Okay, we'll try to do something. And apart from that nothing else. Okay, and do not forget to like this class if you actually found it useful. If you didn't find it useful, let me know why it was not useful and how can I improve on that. Okay, because genuinely we are here, all the teachers here, all our team is here to support you in the whatever best way possible, in whatever short time that we have on YouTube, because on YouTube there is limitation, bacha. We don't have much time as we have in a crash course. In crash course we can give you so many things. That's why we had that, and that's why we have kept the price also very less, so that you all can join it and all of you can benefit from it. Okay, so yes, anybody who wants to do something, for example in test series, go ahead, take ABHYAS test series. People who are writing for Comet K, go ahead, take Comet K rank booster test series. Both of them are available at 999. Link you'll find in the video, again description of this particular class. Yeah, yes guys. So okay, anything else? Division form is not there in the syllabus, but again same rule will apply. Okay, one more factor will come from there. X minus 1 is there. Let's say if you have x by 2, x minus 2 over here, I have to include 2 and the approach will remain same. Because beta, so think logically. Dividing by x minus 2, sir, it's a difficult question. Very difficult question, but we are eventually looking for what? Positive or minus negative sign. So x minus 2, do not treat it as a division, treat it as a factor only. If denominator is positive, I'll give you a logic actually. Why you guys, let's say I have x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. This, if it is plus minus or plus minus, whatever is the sign, we have to understand what? The sign concept only. Don't worry about the derivative. Even if it is in the denominator, if you want to learn Venkatesh, only sign is what is important over here. The rule will be the same. How, what is the rule? Again, power should be always odd for the sign to alternate. We'll find the critical point from here. Let's say, if I say C is the largest, then comes B, then comes A, then can plot the number like this. A, B, and C. Okay, if the coefficient is all positive, I'll go plus sign, minus sign, plus sign, minus sign. That's it. That's it. It will not change. Nothing will change, guys. Okay, Venkatesh, try to think. Do not think of this as a division of polynomials. Think in the logic of plus or minus sign. Okay, think about it. If it is plus, and here it is minus, what is the answer, sir? Minus. If it is, sir, plus, and this is, sir, also plus, answer is what, sir? Positive. So basically think like that. Okay, nothing is different over here. Venkatesh, does it make sense? Okay, Arzu. Okay, so I hope I am making sense to all of you, and this is the end of the class. Okay, guys, you're welcome. Okay, so that's all for this particular session. I had fun interacting with all of you, teaching all of you in this class. Tomorrow is my last session that comes in 15-day challenge, not last completely, just the 15-day challenge, last of mathematics, where I'm going to teach you all about, your integration, AOI, and differential equation. Okay, guys? Sir, your name? My name is Ankit. Ankit Srivastav. I am your maths teacher. Okay, results as of now is supposed to come today only. There's no update that has come in that saying that there's a change in the result schedule. If there's a delay, it might go tomorrow, but there's no change in the dates of the result as of now. Okay, it's supposed to come today only. Yes. Okay, guys. Okay. Yes, Manoj, this week you're gonna get the short tricks video. Okay. Alright, guys, so that's all. I cannot see any new questions, so that's all in this class. I had fun teaching you all. Join tomorrow 5 p.m. for my class. Today evening, I think 4 p.m. you have biology class. Tomorrow morning also you'll have another class in 15-day challenge. Tomorrow evening is when I come back with the integration, the master of all chapters. I know it'll be a little difficult, but together we'll make it easy. We'll try to learn some tricks if possible in the class also. Okay, guys. Of course, Jasmine ma'am to always favorite Arju, right? Yeah, Jasmine ma'am is favorite of everyone. Okay, no problem. Continue, join the class of Jasmine ma'am at 4 p.m. and of course, learn biology from ma'am. And she's working a lot to make your after Jasmine ma'am, sir, you are only favorite, but after Jasmine ma'am, no? Okay, look at this guy, Mir Zafar. After Jasmine ma'am, it's not before, it's after Jasmine ma'am. Okay, fine. My heart is broken listening to this statement. Jasmine ma'am, students are saying after Jasmine ma'am, they're saying after Jasmine ma'am, you are my second favorite.
You know what, I heard that from the other studio, which is why I came running. So thank you so much for the love, and after so many days I'll be coming live at 4 p.m. Be there, and before that there's a live at 12 p.m. for a NEET launch. Be there as well. Wishing you the best. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you so much, sir.
See, you guys asked for it and Jasmine ma'am is here, right? Now happy. Jasmine ma'am first priority. Oh my God. Look at Mir Zafar. Yeah. All right. Jasmine ma'am, you are the bestest. Okay, Prakhar. Nice. I'll remember this when you ask me a doubt. Prakhar, I'll remember this. Not only on live, I'll remember this in the crash course also. Okay. One question of a doubt is gone. Okay. Bye Saptami, Pujari ji, bye Arju, bye Saraswati. Okay, yes. Sir, don't blackmail, sir. But you will blackmail, okay? Of course, I should, look out for me, right? You are saying, sir, first priority Jasmine ma'am, second priority you. Okay, that's not fair. As there was an update, ma'am shared with all of you. 12 in basically just in 6 minutes. There's a live coming up, so please go ahead and attend that class. Okay, just see what is happening. It's again going to be very, very wonderful for all of you, and it's by your beloved Jasmine ma'am, coming live in next 6 minutes. So please go over there. Okay, I'm gonna end the class. Okay, Anjum ji, please go ahead, join the class at 12 p.m. Ma'am is coming live in next 6 minutes. You can go and tell ma'am over there. Ma'am is not here right now. Yes, bye sir. Yeah, okay, Arju sir. Now you are also best, sir. Okay. Questions are gone. Prakhar. Video, did you check, Prakhar? You found the video uploaded? Please confirm, Prakhar. On our channel only. On our channel only, there's a live at 12 p.m. You all can 12. Yeah, you can go check and join that live. Yeah. Bye sir, bye. Yes, they are coming up in 5 minutes. You have to go and attend that live. It's not a teaching class. You go and it will be very, very beneficial for all of you. Yes. Okay, so guys, everyone in the crash course, your videos are uploaded. As I mentioned, IT team was working behind. There are many lectures, bacha, PCM, PU1, PU2. That's why it took some time. I'm sorry for that, but I'll hope from here onwards there will be no trouble like this. And if there is, we'll let you know. Okay, but there's no trouble as such. So you're all welcome. But Prakhar, your one doubt is gone. No problem. I'll remember that. Because your name in this crash course also is Prakhar only. I remember your ID name. So Prakhar, your one doubt is gone. Jasmine ma'am's and team is coming live in next 4 minutes on our YouTube channel Deeksha Karnataka. So please go join her live. Yes. Okay. Saraswati is saying thank you sir. You're welcome, bacha. AOD has been taken care of last class. All of you missed it. Sunday it was there, but I think you were preparing for JEE second attempt. That's why you were not able to join. So C&D means continuity and differentiability and application of derivative already done on our channel in the 15-day challenge. You can find it in the live classes. Yes. Okay, so that's all. I would have to end the class right now. I had lovely talking to all of you. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and be a part of WhatsApp community. You get all the PDF, all the updates over there, and like the class if you found it helpful. And always keep the notification bell on so that you don't miss any classes. You missed the CND AOD, right? Because you did not keep the notification bell on. Okay, so that's all, guys. Yes. Yes, Rishabh, we'll talk about it. Can you come in the next classes? We'll talk about this in detail, okay? But yeah, there are many options. I hope, but you do get a good college. But there are many options. Do not worry about it. We'll work on it together, okay? I'll remember your name. You can come and ask me the same question. I have to end the class right now because 12 p.m. there's another live coming up. So go and join over there. Yeah. Tomik sir is working on your classes, okay, crash course people. Okay, last 3 minutes remaining. Okay guys, so that's all. PDF will come in the WhatsApp channel. All of you join the WhatsApp channel to know more about that. That's all in this class. Had fun talking to you all and teaching you all. See you in the next one tomorrow 5 p.m. with the integral calculus. We'll have a blast tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye. All the best.